Okay, now we got the new gasket, so let's open it. Come on. Okay, so this should be like this. Like that. So there should be 4 of them, like that, and then that one, and then this one. Nice. Okay. Oops. Yeah. Just like that. Okay. Wow. Okay. Did you see it? You see it? Okay, good. Perfect. This is gonna be a good one. Oh, perfect. It fits. Then this one, just press it. I'm gonna grab my rubber mallet. Alright, this is my rubber mallet. What? Let's put it here. Nice. So this will not gonna damage the rubber because it's a rubber too. Perfect. That's it. Okay, let's put some RTV. We're using this gasket maker. Let's put some on this in here. See it right there. Then same on the other side. This is in between the timing, bulb cover timing. I hope you could see that right there. Okay, nice. And then also in here. There we go. And then on the other side. Over here. There we go. There we go. Nice. Okay. So now let's install this. Okay. All right. Come on. Come on, let's. Okay. Hold on. Let's double check. Okay, one more time. Perfect. All right, it's all in. It's in. It's in. Let's double check. Perfect. How's the... Looks good. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. That's good. Now, where's that thing? This one. So one each. So one each. Okay. In here. And then at the back. The back. Last one. All right. Okay. Now bolt. See it? Okay, good. In here, over here, then two more at the back. Nice. There you go. Okay, where's my number 10 ratchet? So number 10 ratchet. So let's start on the middle. There you go. And this one. Then this one. And this one. And this. Again. All right, so that's it. It's already tight. There you go. So I'm not gonna show you anymore how to install the rest, because it's pretty much the same, just the reverse order. So just like that, and then this hose, and that's it. I'm just gonna show you when it's done. Alright, that's it. Done. Everything is back. Now let's start the car. Let's start the car. Okay. Alright, let's check for the leaks. Let's wait for a few minutes and recheck if we still have a leak. Especially in here, in this side. but so far so good. Okay, no more leaks. I don't know if you could see that. It's nice and clean. Alright, that's it. Done.